Yesterday I am discussed about the some calculation of average velocity and average speed, and some numerical is also here. A body is cover the distance one fourth distance within 10 seconds and remaining distance is covered in 20 seconds. What is the speed in the both condition and what is the average speed? Average speed. Total distance is covered by the body is 40 meter. So let us consider that the total distance is x is equal to 40 meter and x1 is equal to x by 4 according to the question. Then x1 is equal to 40 by 4 is equal to 10 meter and remaining distance x minus x by 4 is equal to 3x by 4 is equal to x2 is equal to 3x by 4 is equal to 3 into 40 by 4 means 30 meters. Then in the first condition the v1 is equal to total distance x1 by total time. The total distance is equal to 10 meter, x1 is equal to 10 meter and t1 is equal to 10 second. Then v1 बराबर xy by t1 is equal to 10 by 10 is equal to 1 meter per second, and second velocity v2 is equal to x2 by 2 is equal to 30 into 20, 30 meters distance and 20 time is t2 is equal to 20. Then velocity is the 1.5 meter per second. Average speed is the total distance by total time. Total distance is already given the 40 meters and total time is equal to t1 बराबर 10 second and t2 is equal to tt is equal to 20 second. Total time is 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. 40 by 30 is equal to 1.6 meter per second. The average speed is 1.6 meter per second. It means कि the velocity in the board condition v1 is equal to 1 meter per second and vt is equal to 1.5 meter per second and the average velocity is the 1.6 meter per second. Next question is body is moved 5 meter from south to north with a 10 second. After this the body is moved from north to east, travel the distance the 10 meter in the 10 second and what is the average speed and the average velocity. The first the body the south to north, it means कि a body is moved from A to B in the 5 meter and time taken is according to the question question 10 second. T1 is equal to 10 second and x1 distance is equal to 5 meter and B to C x2 is equal to distance x2 is equal to BC is equal to 10 meters. Total distance is equal to x1 plus x2 means AB plus BC बराबर 10 plus 5 and total time both condition T1 and T2 is the 10 second. Then total time is equal to 20 second. Total average velocity is equal to total distance 15, 10 plus 5 by 10 plus 10 is equal to 3 by 4. Displacement is equal to AC. AC it means कि the displacement is AC. So this is the when AC is equal to AC square is equal to AB plus BC square by the hypotenuse rule. Then when we are go to the calculation 5 square plus 10 square is equal to 25 plus 100 is equal to total AC is equal to 5 under root 5. Then average velocity is the total distance by total time, total displacement by total time. Total displacement is equal to 5 under root 5 and total time is the 10 plus 10 is equal to total 5 under root 5 by 20 is equal to under root 5 by 4. Next numerical is a body is moved from the north to south, travel the distance 10 meter in 5 seconds and after this the body is moved from the south to west, travel the distance in 10 seconds and find the average speed and the average velocity. Total distance is equal to 10 plus 20 30 meter and total time is 5 plus 10 is equal to 15 meter. Then average is equal to total distance 10 plus 20 is equal to 30 and total time is equal to 15 is equal to total the average speed is 2 meter per second, and the displacement is AC. AC is equal to BC square plus AB square according to the hypotenuse rule.